What's up, guys? We're here in Northern California. This is my Subaru workshop. I'm Luke, and this is the SubaruONLY show. In today's video, I'm going to be starting an epic build series on the 1998 World Rally Blue two-door coupe. If you'll recall from previous videos, that 1998 coupe has a full 2005 WRX engine, transmission, and rear differential swap in it, but it's got a blown head gasket. So the first thing we're going to do is pull that engine and assess what we need to do next. This is going to be an awesome journey, and I can't wait to share it with you guys through this build series. But since this is going to be a build series, I'm going to give you guys a full introduction to everything that this car came with to start with. That way we have a before and an after comparison to really see where we came on this whole journey. So let's do a walk around, look at all the different parts and pieces that came with this car before we pull that engine to do the head gasket repair job. So let's get started on this epic car and bring this thing back to proper running condition. Okay, let's do a little walk around. As you can see, it doesn't have the RS bumper or a JDM STI bumper. It's got the actual Impreza L bumper. That's fine. It does have the hood scoop and the air vents. So walk around here. It does have the STI spoiler. We've got the 04 STI BBS forged wheels. And those are actually the brakes and the rotors from the 2005 WRX that was swapped over. Going over to the front, same thing. The 5x100 BBS wheels. As you can see, the side view mirrors are pretty damaged. This is the sticker that came with the car, turn-in concepts. I'll leave it on for a little bit of the history of the car for now. Let's move over to the interior of the car. You can see how dirty this car is. Now it's actually got Bride low-max seats, but these are replica seats. It's got the interior fully stripped out with a lot of the insulation compound already removed. Door panels are off with just the electric motor controls. It's got a large rear mirror. It does have a shifter right here it's actually a hockey stick shifter from the previous owner. Sorry about the lighting here. It's just kind of the morning hours. There's no other way to do it. It's got the 05 WRX steering wheel, as you can see, but it's actually got the 1998 dash. And that's the wiring harness under the passenger side. Although it looks like just a rat's nest in there, he actually sent this to iWire, or he got some components from iWire, and apparently it's helped it run with no problem. So that's basically the interior. Stripped, Bride low-max seats, no panels. Pretty ghetto in this thing when we're driving it, pretty stripped down. It's all about weight savings. It's not about luxury, it's not about accommodations, it's not about, you know, smooth and quiet running conditions. It's about light, fast, and good handling. So that's what this car is all about. Okay, let's go to the engine compartment. It actually has this custom hood latch right here. Alright, and this is the engine bay. It's been fully swapped. As you can see, it's got the STI intercooler. It certainly stands out with that STI logo. But what you won't notice right off the bat, it actually has an Invita bell mouth downpipe. And you can't really see through all the hoses and stuff, but this is actually a Blausch turbo. So it's got a larger turbo, a larger downpipe, the STI intercooler. So this is definitely no stock WRX engine. With that Blausch turbo and that Invita downpipe, this WRX engine should be making quite a bit more power than a stock WRX engine. Right here is just a short intake. Looks like the stock turbo inlet. The fluid reservoir for the windshield wipers is damaged. I'm gonna pull this sucker out and either replace it with a new OEM one or just get an aftermarket little reservoir. Yeah, this thing needs to be washed. So that's pretty much what we have to work with. A filthy car, a filthy engine compartment, blown head gasket, broken pieces all over the place, but this thing has got serious potential. I think you guys would agree with me on that. This thing's got so much potential. And honestly, this thing's the epitome of the perfect Subaru combination. The two-door coupe, flat 4 turbo motor, and a manual transmission. There's no other Subaru that any Subaru motorsport enthusiast would ever want, and this is it. So let's get started on this epic car and bring this thing back to proper running condition.